Developing tonight, ICE agents reportedly arrest a man outside a Santa Fe Health clinic while a child was with him.
The mayor thinks this is a first in the city. It happened at La Familia Health on Alto. They serve more than 15,000 people a year at 4 locations, adding they have not and will not collect information on patients' citizenship status. Aaliyah Chavez speaking with witnesses.
And Aaliyah, this may have been part of a larger immigration operation?
Yeah, Shelley, Doug, good evening. That's right. Congresswoman Teresa Leger Fernandez says a number of others may have been detained in Santa Fe on Wednesday. But tonight, key questions remain, including who was taken into custody, why, and where they are now. This video was recorded inside La Familia Medical Center in Santa Fe on Wednesday morning, captured by a bystander.
This morning about 9:20, individuals from ICE were following a gentleman and his minor child. They came into the parking lot, blocked his car, and arrested him.
La Familia officials say federal immigration agents never entered the clinic or approached its staff. The man's child was not detained, according to Mills and others.
A member of the family came. The child's family has been referred to Somos Un Pueblo, another organization that we work closely with.
Santa Fe Mayor Michael Garcia says the city has no law or ordinance barring ICE activity on city property. New Mexico law does not prohibit immigration arrests at healthcare facilities. Last year, the Department of Homeland Security rescinded federal guidelines that had generally restricted immigration enforcement at places like clinics, schools, and churches. We asked Garcia whether this was the first known immigration arrest at a Santa Fe healthcare facility.
It is my understanding, yes, it is.
The arrest outside La Familia may have been just one part of a broader operation. Congresswoman Teresa Leger Fernandez says she was heading to a scheduled visit at the Torrance County Detention Facility when she learned about the incident. She says officials there told her more people had been detained in Santa Fe.
We don't know the exact number.
Leger Fernandez says she asked whether those detainees would be brought to the facility near Estancia.
And they told me that the 8 have not arrived yet. So to me, that's a bit of a confirmation that it is at least 8.
Tonight, local and federal leaders warn this could have a chilling effect, frightening people away from the medical care they need.
We are concerned because everyone, when they see armed people with masks, it's frightening.
And tonight, I'm still waiting for answers from the Department of Homeland Security. I've asked DHS to confirm the arrest outside La Familia, along with the 7 other possible detentions described by the Congresswoman. So far, DHS has not responded. Reporting, I'm Aaliyah Chavez, KUAT Action 7 News.
Governor Lujan Grisham's office telling us she is aware of and is monitoring the situation, adding she insists that ICE officers obey state law and the Constitution of the United States while operating in New Mexico, along with her support of a sensible deportation policy targeting serious criminals and not immigrants, with families trying to make a better life for themselves.